Welcome to Hyper Speed Media YouTube channel.
Okay, here's a video of how to test your injector. And there's a few things you need to test it out. First of all, you need an injector. You need a starter fluid. You need a battery. And lastly, you need a tool to test the injector. So this tool, I bought it from, I guess eBay or Amazon. I forgot exactly where. I bought it a couple years ago. So it comes with this tube right here. This tube is where you plug in the injector on the side. And this bottom hole is where you would, let's see if I can get in focus. So this bottom hole is where you would put the starter fluid in there. And you would trigger the injector with the battery. So it comes with a harness. It comes with these harness. So there's two types of size of injector harness. So it could fit into either or. So you have to use the right one for your application. So it's quite simple. What you would do is just connect the harness into the injector, like so. With this tube right here, you would connect that into the injector. Might want to lubricate this so you don't rip the O-ring. So I'm going to do that right now, real quick. So I put a little dab of engine oil around the O-ring. So after you connect the injector, it will look something like this. Lastly, you will use the starter fluid and spray it through this and connect the positive and negative to the battery. You're going to want to take this nozzle out. That's how you test this injector with these simple tools. But you got to be really careful because there's a lot of pressure coming out of here. Has a lot of pressure coming out of here, so you just got to hold. If you have a helping hand, it might be a lot easier to do this. But yeah, so this tool I bought a while back, I think it was like 30 bucks. Comes with you can even make it yourself if you know what you're doing. Alright, that's it. Please subscribe.
Please subscribe to Hyper Speed Media YouTube.